Plug-in Alliance's Bus Compressor Shootout. It's that time again. With the new release of the Lindell 2500 bus compressor, I think it's time to compare some of my favorite bus compressors from Plug-in Alliance. First up, we have the SBC from Lindell. Obviously, it's modeled after the API 2500. It's amazing for adding depth and character to your track. Need more punch for your drums? No problem. API 2500 to the rescue. As a bonus, we could throw in Lindell's excellent 50 series channel strip in the mix. Since it's got the 2500 built into this channel strip, only the compressor of this unit would be engaged. Next up, the legendary Townhouse bus compressor. According to the website, this was built by studio engineers using SSL components when external SSL bus compressor units were impossible to buy. It was used heavily on many pop and rock records back in the 80s and beyond. And last but not least, is the Vertigo VSC2. Unlike others units, VSC2 is built with 4 discrete 1979 VCAs across 2 channels. It sounds smooth and glossy, perfect for your mix bus. During the shootout, I'll be pushing buttons and tweaking the knobs to show their characters. Not going to worry too much about matching levels between each unit. Hope you guys won't find it too subtle this time. Okay, enough talking. Let the shootout begin.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running.
They are all great compressors and have their own unique sound and uses depending on what the situation calls for. The new Lindell SBC can be punchy but neutral. If you like snappier version of the same thing, Lindell 50 series is the one for you. There's so much mojo in the townhouse compressor. It's almost as if you were listening to the old radio. Now, if you like hi-fi, Vertigo VSC2 is the one to get. It's smooth, glossy, and well a hi-fi. No doubt, I would grab all of them for my work. But what if I can only pick one? My pick would be the town. Thank you for watching.